Polyfusion TRAC, China's first welding machine. With TRAC, generator set, automatic retracting pipe, welding pipes in the cab with air conditioner. The front roller pickup pipes much easier. The Polyfusion TRAC drives the pipes, loads pipes onto the rollers and the beams. Pipes are placed end-to-end, unnecessary to handle the pipes twice. The operator performs the pipes loading from inside the cabin. This new technology greatly improves welding capabilities, saving time and labor resources. This feature is only available on Polyfusion Machinery POLYFUSION TRAC machine.